going to make an onion cane today, and for that I rolled out a piece of white clay on a setting 9, the smallest setting I have on my pasta machine, and a translucent piece on a setting 6 on my pasta machine. Then I'm going to put this aside and get ready for the outside of my onion. And for that I have some caramel, and I have a tiny bit of the translucent left from this thing that I'm going to mix into the caramel. Then I have a tiny piece of caramel, a tiny piece of white in the same size, and a piece of orange that is twice the size. And I'm going to mix that together, but I am going to decide for mixing a tiny bit of translucent in there. I know it won't be that visible, but I'm just gonna put it in there anyway. So I have one part of this, one part of this, one part of this, and 2 parts of this. And I'm going to mix these 2 pieces together for themselves. So I will be right back. So I get these 2 colors here. This is caramel with the translucent, and this is the caramel with the orange and a little white and translucent. This is rolled out on a setting 4, a thicker one. This is rolled out on a setting 9, the smallest one. So you take a piece of your cane and you squash or squeeze the ends a bit together here, so you can see where the ends are. Still, take your cane here that I made so the lines are going this way, and they're very, very thin here. And I'm going to cut off a tiny piece. There we go. So I have a tiny piece here, and I'm going to pull it up a little, and also in the length to make it thin. Taking this little one, having the ends up, putting the onion peel here on the side, and making sure that this will reach all the way around the onion without cracking too much. And I'm just squeezing the ends of the onions here together. So here on top they are allowed to lay over because that's the end, and this is the bottom of it. Here I'm going to take some of my brown clay caramel clay, and I'm just going to stick that to the bottom of my onion. Like that. And then I'm going to take my soft pastel, and I'm going to take this dark brown, and and I'm using my pencil here, just with a tiny dab of the dark brown on this end, and you can do it a little on the onion as well to give it a little more depth in the onion. And I like to make it rest before I cut it up, but I'm going to cut this open for you, even though that it did not rest. So I'm going to cut it this way, because then I have the pattern inside of my onion. See if I can show you. There we go. Can you see the pattern in there? If you like some onion rings, whole rings, you can just cut thin slices of the onion cane here, and you will have thin rings. So that is pretty easy. I'm just going to cut a tiny slice here, and again, I like my cane to rest before I do that. And here I have an onion ring. I don't know if you can see that. So there I have an onion ring. So that's an easy way to do that as well. So this is one way of making onions. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, give it a like. And if you have questions, I'm going to answer them for you. So that's it. I wish you a happy crafting.